Breakfast today, my plantain burnt, but it's okay, it tastes fine. My usual coffee. I'm currently watching The Maid. I don't think I have talked to you today. That's because I have been cleaning and cleaning and cleaning my house and my shoes and my utensils. Like, I've just been cleaning my house the whole day and watching the series that nilionyesha, sijui kama nilionyesha, but the Maid one. So sahi I'm thinking we make sosi because I've just read a DM of somebody asking me for a recipe, like how I do my sosi. So I'm going to show you how I do that. I usually first soak them. This is the pack that I use, ile original. Sipendi hata nini Indomie, sipendi hizi zenye new, napenda hizo original. So sosi, I'm using the original pack. Going to cook your onions hadi zikuwe golden brown, and then this is the time you add your tomatoes if you have. But mimi sina, so I'm going to add my sosi and I add the sosi pamoja na the sauce, the water. Add your paste. Soy sauce. Ginger. Cayenne. Garlic. I'm going to add a bit of water sababu I like it ikiwa na mchuzi. Lastly, you add your dania, coriander. My food is ready. This is how my sauce should turn out. Or close to this, or even better than this. But yeah, that's how I cook my sauce. Like it's ready. Have my rice and my sauce.
My thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please? I guess I should have been honest. A break to my heart. It's weighing me down, baby. I'm like a river that's overflowed. The sooner you know it, the less do we hurt. Let me speak the truth.
I'm watching Wabosha as I have lunch, like kidogo pilau yenye nilitengeneza because I don't want to get hungry sana. It's currently 12:24. I should be in town by 1:30. So I have my lunch, my juice over there. This cream, it's a curling cream that I am using to undo my hair, like unravel my twists. I hope they come out vizuri, but I have two bantu knots over there, as you can see. So I'm going to apply the curling cream as I undo my hair and as I eat lunch.
One step away from salvation. You're like the ocean, setting me free, out in the open, picking up speed.
I don't know if I'm feeling that hair, but it is what it is.
Hold me like this is the first time our destiny calls.
Ushika uone vile ni refu. It's long.
Imejicompress tu.
Shrinkage.
Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our lighters. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But
So I'm just from showering and sijui mbona na act ni kama this is a big deal, but it quite is a big deal. So I'm going to first moisturize my lips. I use the shea butter from Davinci. It's at Philadelphia House, Wing A. That's where I got my shea butter in Inaisha. But this is what I love using to moisturize my lips. So what's happening is, I'm sorry about the construction noises, but I'm going to do my hair. And guess what we are doing this time? I am going to install dreadlocks, permanent dreadlocks, but natumia method ya twist. I have noticed watu wengi hawajui, hata mimi sikuwa najua the twist method, where you just twist your hair normally vile unaweza twist your hair and then you allow it to lock and bud, and naturally after some time inakuwa a lock. I wanted to do the instant locks. Hiyo una crochet, ni kama wanaleta nywele pamoja, zina crochet, zinakuwa like a lock. So hiyo nimeona itafanya my hair to be really short, kwa sababu usually they usually use a comb. Let's say this is a comb. Wanachana nywele hivi, ni kama wanaileta juu hivi, and then they use crochet to crochet your hair. So nimeona hiyo ita make my hair to be really short na staki. So I'm using the twist method. So I have a friend, Rosa. She has a YouTube channel. She's really good with hair. Like her hair is so beautiful. She also has a YouTube channel. Sijui kama ni mention hiyo, but I'll link it down below. So she's the one who is going to do my twists. Actually nilikuwa nataka kujifanyia, but nimeona sitaweza kugawa like perfectly the way I want them to be. Shed. This is all the hair that I've shed. They sound kama mbuzi. Mbuzi zenye ushed nywele. Yeah, let me show you my hair. This is Rosa.
Hi.
She's the one who has helped me out. This is how my hair looks.
Amazing.
Stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Oh my god, look at that sunset. I've just watered this plant, this mint plant. That's why kuna maji hapo. Anyway, just look at that. Naweza kaa tu hapa. It's a beautiful Saturday sunset. My house is looking like this. Now shai carpet very soon. That's why imekuwa folded hapo. I went to Gikomba today. That's why we have clothes kwa both of my bags. I got a couple of mom jeans. I think I'll show you kesho. I don't know, but yeah, I got a couple of mom jeans. Sijui if you guys would be interested in seeing haul. I got really cute pants. If you don't follow me, Kairetu, ayayay, where are you getting your pants? Because just look at these flare pants ziko in right now. So vile niliona hii, I couldn't resist from buying. See how flared it is at the bottom. I wish it was my size, but anyways, that is for sale. I also got 2 pairs of shoes that I really wanted to show you. By the way, I sell shoes, Kairetu. I think I have mentioned that, but look at these shoes. Look at my newest babies. Sikuwa nataka yenye iko raised boot like kwa sababu I have a couple of those yet nimeongeza hii moja, but anyways nilikuwa nataka yenye iko chini, so I got this. And I also got this Dr. Martens, but mwenye nilinunulia sijui mbona wana polish viatu. So right now sijui kama mnaweza ona hii brightness ni kiasi, but ni kama amezipolish. It's so hard for me to buy myself something. I find it easier to gift people as opposed to gifting myself, like buying myself things. Yeah, which is quite absurd. But anyway, I'm learning to appreciate the hard work, the work I put in by buying myself something nice and also going out. Sometimes I'm very mwili pole, you know. Yeah, so that's what I've been learning to do. So yeah. Hiya, here's my outfit of the day. This is outfit number 2. I'm wearing tights. My mirror is dirty, but I'm wearing these tights and this cropped jumper and then this big denim jacket. I'm going to Panari for a movie. Inaitwa Shang-Chi. Yeah, something of the sort. Iko near Marvel Studios. So it's airing at 6:55. It's currently 6 something. Nastai kuchelewa. So yeah, that's my little outfit of the day. I'm wearing that with these sneakers. Also, akileo. Leo I was this close to buying a new laptop because imenibo. Like I've been rendering this work. I should upload. Yani kutoka usiku jana nikalala tu, niki-edit, nikamaliza, nikaacha ikirender. Render is exporting from the system, the app that you use to edit. Yeah. Nikaacha ikirender. Kuamka it is 30% rendered. Haya, nikaachana na hiyo file, nikaanza another file. Yani it has been hectic, and I think it's because my laptop is really old, so I need to get a new laptop. But naona sahi tumebakisha 18 minutes for the video to go up. I was hoping to upload it today, but siezi. Nikingoja hizi 18 minutes nitachelewa for the movie, so I'll upload it tomorrow.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall.